Hi everybody. Here we've got little baby. Baby just ate, but thinks that he's still hungry. As you can see, how cute is that? I know. Alright, so here's what I was going to show you guys real quick. This is the crop right here on his chest. That little lump you see right here. And what you see inside is actually the food. There's also a great opportunity to see how the feathers are growing. See, with Pretty Bird, you can't really see it that well. But with this little sweetheart, you can see how right here, how the new feathers are coming in. And then if you look closely, the very tip, you see the beginning of the new feathers, or well, the very brand new feathers are starting to come out. They're starting to grow out. And from this point, right here, is where the feathers will grow nice and long. So you have all these beginning feathers, which are like the root parts, the hard parts that we see that are used to, like, you know, make little ink feathers and things like that to write with. And then you see that the soft part, the part we like to use for arts and crafts and, you know, stuffing our pillows and all that, is right here. And then this fluff that you see over here, this is called the down, which is what keeps them warm underneath all of their other feathers. And then this little cutie pie had just eaten a little while ago, and I wanted to show you guys something. Come on, turn around. He's like, no, I don't want to. Come on. So if you look right here, you can see the crop. But if you pay attention to it, you're going to start noticing that it'll move. And what I'm trying to show you guys are what they call crop contractions, which is the baby birdie's body's way of moving the food from the crop into the stomach. And if we're lucky, we're going to get to see a nice contraction. There you go. Watch the veins. You see those veins through the skin? Oh, it's okay. Come on. Well, don't hide it. You see those moving right there? You guys see how's that? That's like, okay, from looking at the picture, it's from the left to the right. See, it's moving from this side over to this side. He's trying to nuzzle into my hand. You're okay. Isn't that kind of cool? On their crop. Yes, yes, I know. See? He's trying to nuzzle and go to sleep. You see that? Now he wants to go to sleep. He's like, no more. I'm done. And I fed him probably about 15 minutes ago, and now he's finally feeling the digestion, finally feeling the food fill his little belly. So now he's not super hungry anymore. You can see him peeking out right there. You see his eye? And it's time for him to relax now. and I only just brought them back out so I could show you guys. I know. The movements of the digestion. Oh, there we go. There's a good one. Look at that. Woo! You guys see that? That little crop just moving away. Pushing the baby food. I call it the parrot formula. From the crop to the stomach into the digestive system. To then nourish this cute little baby and help him grow and get nice and big and strong. Yeah. There we go. There's another one. And they don't hurt, just like our own digestive system. It's not a bad thing. This is exactly what's supposed to happen. There's another big one. Moving the food into the tummy. No, no nipping the food. No. We got somebody's jealous. Hi, Winter. She's like, I want attention. Alright, Winter, hold on. Just a moment, guys. I'm going to set this baby back in its nest. Just a minute. Sorry about that. And here you got Winter coming to say hi. No cables for you. Hi, Winter. Hi, Winter. You already lost one of my rings today. I gotta find it. I'm not giving you another one right now. Oh, fine. Up, going backwards to poop. Alright, let me take out my ring. Want Mama's ring? There. There you go. Ooh, now she's happy. Now she's happy. What are you doing, Winter? Did you get a ring? Did you get a ring? She's like, it's mine now. What a lot of people don't know is that parrots are actually, not only are they very smart, but along with that smarts actually comes extreme playfulness. They love to play, and just like human children, they like to explore and figure things out, and, you know, they'll have their favorite toys, and they'll have their least favorite toys, and they love to learn, but they're also, for that exact reason, not the kind of birds that you just put in a cage and just leave in there. They're the kind of birds that need to have interaction every day for a good amount of time, you know, that you actually not just have them out of the cage, because there's a big difference between your bird just being out of the cage and actually having interaction. Actual interaction means that you actually play with them, and that you teach them stuff, and you talk to them and interact with them and cuddle with them. What are you doing? You're so clumsy. You know that? What'd you do? You lost the ring. There it is. There it is. So even if I pick her up, she does not want to let go of that ring. That's now hers. Alrighty, y'all. Got to see her play with that ring again for a minute. Anyways, Winter's doing really well. Pikachu gave her a kiss yesterday, showing us that he is starting to accept her. He's still jealous, but we're doing our best to make sure that he knows that we love him just as much. Yes, Pika, Pika, Pika. Right, Pika? He gets to hang out with us when they're hanging out so that he doesn't feel left behind in some way. Pika, Pika. And he's actually doing a good job. He hasn't been attacking her or anything. He's been, oh. Did you fall down, Pika? Alright, bye-bye. He decided to leave. But he's actually been doing a good job interacting with Winter. There you go. Winter, say bye-bye. Alrighty, guys, if you like seeing how little baby birdies digest their food and how they nuzzle into their hand when they finally start calming down a little bit after eating, and if you like seeing Winter play with the ring and having a quick peekaboo hello by Pikachu, then please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for future content with our pet goose, Pretty Bird, our silly little Pikachu who just decided to fly back to my head and land on my head, our new little additions, Winter, and our itty bitty baby named Baby, and Sunny, our female Cockatiel, and like I said before, Pretty Bird, our pet goose, who is basically the star of this channel. Anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed everything. Leave us your comments. Share the videos. We appreciate it so much. Anything that you do. And we hope to see you back soon. Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. She's not biting. She's exploring with her mouth just like a toddler. Alrighty, y'all. Bye. Say love you. Pika. He said pika, 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 pika.